On number 41, they ask us to convert 168 inches to feet, and the final gives the conversions, but we live in the United States. We should know there are 12 inches in 1 foot. I put the inches in the denominator because I want them to cancel out, so all I have left to do is take 168 and I want to divide it by 12 because the 12 is in the denominator. You can use a calculator on this section, so when I type it in, I get 14 feet. Number 42 asked us to convert 17 decimeters to meters. And again, the conversion is printed on the test, so you will be able to see there are 10 decimeters in a meter. So again, I'm putting the decimeters on the other side of the fraction bar so it cancels out. And if we divide by 10, all we have to do is move our decimal one place. So we don't need a calculator on this one. It'll be 1.7 meters, which is the wonder of the metric system. It's a decimal moving problem. And we're converting kilometers or kilometers, depends on which emphasis you want to put the syllable on, to meters. I want to get rid of the kilo, so I'm going to put that in the denominator, and I'm going to put the 1,000 meters in the numerator. Cancel, and again, all we're doing is moving out a decimal. This time it's in the numerator, so we're going to multiply, so we get 250,000 meters. It's okay if you don't know how many centimeters are in an inch off the top of your head because it's printed on the test. There are 2.54 centimeters in 1 inch. Inches cancel out, and so just like the last one, it's in the conversion units in the numerator, so I'm going to multiply 50 times 2.4, and I get 127 centimeters. Now you may want to spend a little bit more time pondering this one. They want us to convert 450 feet per second to yards per minute. Well, we know that there are 3 feet in 1 yard, so our feet cancel out. And we know that there are 60 seconds in 1 minute, which makes my seconds cancel out. And I just get to type it in the calculator, and I get 9,600, and my units that I was trying to get were yards per minute. Find the area in square inches of a rectangle with length 16 and a width of 14 inches. This formula is not printed on your test, so if you're not sure you can remember it, you might want to study this. Area of a rectangle is length times width, so 16 inches times 14 inches. Use my calculator, it's 224. And inches times inches, my units are inches squared. You are also expected to know the formula for area of a triangle. It's 1/2 base times height. So all I have to do is take 1/2 times 11 times 15, type it in my calculator, and I get 82.5, and they just said squared units. Perimeter of a rectangle, if you want a formula, it's 2 lengths plus 2 widths, but you really don't need one because it kind of makes sense. Perimeter is distance around. But if we like formulas, want to plug into it, I guess we can. And 2 times 27 is 54, 2 times 9 is 18, and if I add those, I get 72 inches. Now, by the time I got to number 49, when I was making this review, I was getting kind of tired, and so I should have typed or constructed a diagram, but I was lazy. This is what's on the test. There's a diagram so you can see it. So the supplement of an 80-degree angle would be 180 minus 80 is 100.